Welcome back to another video, and in today's video we're going to be testing out some brand new and Varo products. So let's go. I've already prepped my skin off camera, so let's start with foundation, and this is the Rimmel London Match Perfecting. And when they say perfection, this is what I mean. Look how stunning that foundation looks on my skin, and the shade Match, it's absolutely gorgeous. Moving on to bronzer, this is the Varo Giordonatisha Bronze Duo. Can you believe they have 13 shades available, and after mine there's 5 more. Look at the pigment of this bronzer. It's insane, and it's so creamy, so easy to apply on my skin. Definitely worth trying. If you guys can get your hands on these, please do. To conceal my under eyes, I'm gonna use the ABH Magic Touch Concealer, and then I just realized that I forgot to use primer. Yep, this is the new Revolution Jelly Primer, but we move. Just carry on blending the concealer with my True Oil Powder Puff, and as you guys can see, this concealer has coverage. I also applied a little bit of concealer on my eyelid, and today we're going to be using this gorgeous palette from Too Faced. It's the Precious Gem limited edition. I don't know if you know, but H&B Cosmetics came out with brushes, and I've been loving using them lately. I did a very simple eyeshadow look. I always like to do something like this with the browns and a little bit of the, white-ish shade on the inner corner, and I apply a little bit of shimmer. Now the shimmer of this palette, it's gorgeous. It's like this green. It doesn't look green, but when I apply on my eyes, looks stunning. It's very simple, but also very cute. Very, I don't know how I put it, but I really like it. Just using the concealer to clean up and do a little bit of highlighter. I like to apply a shade a little bit darker on my forehead, just because I don't like to be very light. And then I just blend everything in place. And I think this is the best stage of the makeup for me. I love blending everything together. It's just perfect. Moving on to blushes, very exciting to be using the new shades of the Huda Beauty Ube collection. Now I did pair up with the Black Cherry Blush Filter, just because I think the other one was a little bit off to wear it just on by itself, and I'm glad I did it because look at the result. It's so beautiful. It's the perfect combination. Now, when I first saw that Huda was launching a new setting powder, I was a bit, maybe this is not for the black girlies. But can I say one thing? Huda did not come to play. She really did a shade that could be a perfect shade for every single person. And when I meant by that, just look at that. It's not ashy. It's like a brightening powder, but also pinkish, and not pink, but purple. But look, it's just, I am in love. But I want to know what you guys think. Do you like it? Do you hate it? To set the rest of my face, of course, Rimmel London Kind & Free Pressed Powder. I always use this. There is not one time where I don't use this powder, just because it's that good. And if you have oily skin like myself, this will come in hand. At this point, my battery died, so I went ahead and put my lashes on. And for bronzer, I applied the Mented Cosmetics bronzer. This is in the shade Vacay. It's a perfect shade. I've been using this for a couple of years now. It seems to never finish it, but I love it. It's a great shade match. We got some new products from Kylie Cosmetics: lip liners, lip gloss, lipsticks. I used the lip liner in the shade Toffee. It's a very creamy texture. I actually love this lip liner. It suits my skin tone very nicely. I didn't try the other ones, but this one is the one I like. I did pair it with the Maybelline Superstay Vinyl Ink. I love this lipstick. It's so good and lasts long. And then I top it up with the Kylie Cosmetics High Gloss. And last but not least, I used the Revolution Jelly Mist. This is a gel to water fixing spray. So I did apply this and I was like, ooh, I really like it. But when I looked in the mirror, I said, no, I need a little bit more. So I did, went ahead and applied it a little bit more, and then I was like, yep, I really like this. Not to mention it's very affordable and it smells great. The bronze duos and the powder from Huda Beauty is definitely my favorite out of this makeup, but let me know what you guys think. Bye.